Welcome everyone, I'm John. This is the crypto channel of John. Here I educate people into cryptocurrency and how to do everything. We're on a series of metamasks and how to add the chains. Today I'm gonna add the Polygon chain. If you like my channel, please share it with other people, put a thumbs up, like the bell, leave a comment. All revenue, extra attention to my stream or channel would be much appreciated. I hope you guys learned something and let's jump in. Before we can add anything to MetaMask, to add matic account or a Polygon account, we need of course MetaMask first of all. By opening MetaMask, by pressing the wolf head, but after installing it, you will be able to add a new network by pressing on, there will be main network by most of the people, and you can press here, and then you have the change that you can add. By pressing add network, there will pop up a new screen, and here you will be able to add the chain documents that you need for Polygon network. I have a website already open. The website from here, you find it in the description below. You can just take the URL and use this one. It's a correct one, so you don't need to search for it. Now, how are we gonna add it? Here are the symbols that we need, but we cannot go in here. There is a text just above it that he typed specially to be able to take it off. So first of all, it's Polygon mainnet. This is for the name, network name. Second thing, we need the URL. We copy this part for the URL. We place it in the URL. Then you have a number. By twice clicking it will not work, so copy it. And this is the chain ID. Then the name is matic or Polygon. That is for the symbol currency, the currency symbol. And then we have one more. That's the block explorer that you can look on if there's a transaction being done that is being found, of course. So if you now press save, you will have added the Polygon mainnet or matic network to MetaMask. This was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we will go on to the next one. See you all in the next one. Ciao.